Latest on Mallya Gate, and here at ET Now we bring every single development in the scandal that has left banks with unpaid dues to the tune of about 9,000 crore rupees. Rahul Dayama as well as Krishanu Mukherjee standing by, and we also get you views as to what the exclusive conversation was with the aviation minister. But let's go across to our team of reporters standing by, and Krishanu, I'm going to come to you first. What are the chances of Vijay Mallya being extradited?
Well, the chances of Vijay Mallya being extradited are pretty strong, considering we got to know from our sources within the Enforcement Directorate that they are going to write to the Ministry of External Affairs seeking his extradition. And what we've got to know today is a confirmation of our story from yesterday that the Enforcement Directorate indeed has written to the Interpol seeking also a red corner notice against Vijay Mallya. A red corner notice essentially is an international arrest warrant, a wanted notice. So after the red corner notice is issued, when it is issued, the case to extradite Vijay Mallya will become multifold stronger multifold, and it will get much easier for the Indian bodies to extradite Vijay Mallya. Now, you would remember that the UK government had declined to entertain the request to deport Vijay Mallya only on the basis of a cancelled passport, but they had said that they would assist India when it comes to extradition of Vijay Mallya. And now, once the red corner notice is issued, which the Enforcement Directorate has confirmed that they have written to the Interpol seeking it, then the extradition of Vijay Mallya will be much simpler than it is currently. And also the MEA, we learned to understand, we've been given to understand, is going to write to the UK government seeking extradition of Vijay Mallya. So the process, it looks like, will be simplified soon after the red corner notice is issued against him.
Okay, Krishanu, thanks very much for giving us those details. So high and large chances that he will be extradited. But Rahul, let's go across to you. Diageo has submitted the details of the $75 million sweetheart deal with Mallya. What exactly are you picking up? Because it's been under the lens for quite a while now.
Yeah, you're right. Clearly, the settlement deal that Diageo had with Mallya is under scrutiny here at DRT. Today, remember today was the last day for Diageo to furnish those details. It was on March 7th that the DRT had directed Diageo to furnish the nitty-gritties of the deal that it struck with Mallya, which led to his exit from USL, the $75 million deal. In fact, last time the DRT had pulled up Diageo for not submitting those details.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNow Live. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.